Hey everybody, I put together a quick screencast showing you how to use this Feedly thing. So what we need to do is start off by going to www.feedly.com, and here you'll see I'm at Feedly. So the first thing I need to do is sign in. So how do we do that? I would imagine right here I didn't see that first, so we're going to go ahead and click on login. Now when we log in, this comes up. It says it would like to use my Google account, and that's fine. We're going to allow it to use our Google account. I have one little problem here. I was trying to show it to you on an account that on a incognito window where I wasn't logged in, and guess what? I think I am logged into a different account there. So let me just sign out. Alright, so now we're going to log in. And it wants to use my Google account to do that. So I'm going to use my school account, jsuiter@Hanover Public. There's my password, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And then I'm going to give Feedly the right to look at my email address and view some basic information about my account. And by using this account, it's going to make it easier for you in the future. Now, when we get into Feedly, you're going to see I already have some stuff added. So what's going to happen up here is in today, it's going to come up with some different blog posts that are being posted about different things around the internet. So I'm really, if we look over here on the corner, I am following some EdTech blogs and I'm following some environmental blogs. So if I click on one of these, it will actually show me just posts from the EdTech blogs. And if I click this little down arrow, you can see all the different things that I'm following. Alright, if I click this down arrow on environmental, it shows me that I'm following Tree Hugger and 2 more sources. So what I want to do today is show you how to follow some of these environmental blogs. Now I want to point out right away, Tree Hugger everybody loves. In the past, this is one people get most of their information from, but it's not like the only blog out there. So be careful not to get wrapped up into this idea that I'm just going to follow that one. Look for some other stuff. So I'm going to go back to our environmental science website and click on those PLN and blog instructions. And if I scroll down, it says environmental blog. So here are all the different environmental blogs that you might think about following. And if I were you, I'd really go look at them first and see if they're about something I'm interested in. So I know this EcoGeek one's pretty good, and I want to add that to mine. So all you really need to do is highlight that address there, hit Control-C for copy, come back over here and see where it says add content. You're going to click on add content. I'm going to paste that blog address there and hit enter. And it should go out and search for that. Oh, no feeds found, so maybe that one's no good anymore. Let's try a different one. Let's copy this New Scientist one. So I'm going to copy link address. I right click that time, so hit Control-C. And I'm going to hit enter after I paste it in. So here we go. NewScientist.com blogs, the Sharp Science, Short Sharp. So let's click on that one. And then we see some of the posts are up. Now, if this is something I like, hey, this might not be bad. I might be able to find some good information for what we're doing in class. I'm going to go ahead and hit this plus sign, and that means I'm adding it to Feedly. Now, when I do that, it says add new source, gives me the title, and then it asks me what category do I want to put it in. So if you don't have categories, you can set them up simply by hitting add new category here, but I'm going to say I just want to stick it in environmental blogs because that's what this is, and hit add. So now that is part of my environmental blog sources. Now, you could follow other things that you're interested in with this account too. You could follow if you're interested in gaming or skateboarding or whatever girls are interested in. You could follow those things as well. But make sure you have a folder for science, because then what's going to happen is you're going to come in to your Feedly. I'm going to click back here on my Feedly to get back, and you're going to say when it's time to get an article or a current event about environmental, you're just going to click on that environmental category, and all these different blog posts and ideas are going to come up. So basically what happens is all the news comes to you. You don't have to go Google search and look to find an article. You have to find something that looks like it's interesting to you. Okay? And that should be about it.